You're the Chef is a food literacy cooking program. It's targeting students from grades 5 to 8. And the objective of the program is basically to promote food literacy with an emphasis on cooking skills, and also to promote connectedness and social interaction between students, which is an important aspect of promoting a positive mental health. One of the other objectives of the program is to promote vegetables and fruit, because we know that children and youth are not consuming enough vegetables and fruit. So York Region Public Health, this is an important program and initiative that we've taken on to encourage schools to promote cooking skills as a way of increasing vegetable and fruit consumption. Twice a year, we offer a training for leaders in the school. Could be parents, could be teachers, could be anyone in the school who has an interest in promoting cooking to students. And this training is targeting those leaders where they come in for a 4-hour training, and they're basically exposed to what a typical You're the Chef session would look like in the school. So we give them information about food literacy, about food safety, kitchen skills, how to read recipes, and then hands-on experiential learning is an important aspect of this. So as you can see here, this is the You're the Chef recipe collection. It's a carefully selected set of recipes that we use for the You're the Chef program. As you can see behind me, we have various stations set up. Every station is meant to mimic how it would be set up at the school. So we put the required equipment for the various recipes, and participants are making 2 recipes, which is what also would happen at the school level. And the various tools that would be required at each station based on the recipe they're making is placed at each station as well.
When we think about all the challenges our communities are facing today, increased cost of living and health issues, I believe that food is one of the main causes of these issues, because people are moving towards convenience food like takeout foods. I believe that if we bring this initiative of You're the Chef program into our classroom, I believe that there is a real opportunity to educate students with all these essential skills so that they can cook at home and can attain healthy lifestyle. And this program actually seamlessly integrate with our curriculum as well, so it was very easy to incorporate.
So during Monday on the first day, we made parfaits, and we also went as an introduction to the whole You're the Chef program, and we also learned basic knife skills. And then today we made rice with chili, and then also wraps.
You get to cook your own meals, which will serve as a base and a foundation for your future years. And it's really cool because you get to also try your meals, and it's a great first experience, especially for me, and I'm sure many of my friends like it too.
Cooking have many benefits, such as saving money, bringing your family together, and it can help you eat healthier.
They will be very useful later on in life, because Ms. Charji kindly has shown us how much it costs to make compared to how much the shops outside are selling them.
Best part which I really enjoy is it has a significant role is financial literacy from math. We did talk about how processed food is so expensive, or the takeout or dining out is expensive in comparison to making food at home. By participating in this You're the Chef program, students will learn the valuable lesson of teamwork, collaborating, budgeting, time management, meal planning, and all these skills are easily transferable into different parts and aspects of our lives. And I'm confident once the students have this enriching experience of acquiring all the critical life skills, they will benefit from it in the future.